How to fix Facebook forgot password. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go and open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open it, then and scroll down, click now on storage option. And now you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data. Click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. Now go to here, airplane mode. You have to allow it and disallow it, and after this go and restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, open Facebook. And if it's not working, you have to verify your phone number. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another